It's a beautiful world.
It's a celebration, don't need no invitation. Go.
After a few minutes. Okay mga karon, start time to sleep after our unwind moment. So, ayun
sana
sila, tulog
all.
na. Inaantok na sila. Okay, so ito na, patay na natin ang ilaw. Oh! So, magising tayo na maaga tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.
Lights off.
Lights off now.
Kag.
A night after.
Wow! It's beautiful!
It's a beautiful world.
This is the world where I'm living.
Oh my god, this is the world that I am dreaming. Good day mga ka-Ron Stars, so welcome back to my channel and this is Ron Star TV. So right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa City of Leeds. Yes, and to acknowledge yung ating sponsor, siya lang naman po ang libre sa akin dito para mag-check-in with the amount of 18,000 sa room dito sa
City of Dreams, Manila. O,
Hyatt
diba? Kaartihan. Hyatt Hotel.
Yes.
Yes.
So I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's go and enjoy and have fun right under the sun. Only here on Ron Star TV.
Uy, nakamas ka. Ba't sinabi mo kung hindi ako naman? Umiihi yan.
Hindi ka, no? Okay, ano ba ako kunyari ako na?
Gawain mo, no? Bex, gawain mo, no? Gago.
Okay mga Coron Stars, so I have already enjoyed the swimming, so we're just already done sa ating fun under the sun. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo nung nakita niyo akong naka-swimming trunks ba yun?
Pantulog yun, Bex.
Okay, pantulog
Frenny.
yun. Okay, so nakita niyo naman yung mga lugar natin dito, di ba? Kung gaano kaganda. So I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea and this is the time for you to think about it. Kung pupunta kayo dito o hindi. Pero ang mahalaga, you have enjoyed this video. Okay, so thank you so much once again. This is Ronstar TV. Dito lang sa City of Dreams.